Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this zoom in, add in the zoom in effect on DaVinci Resolve. So I'm just going to split the clip here. You can either use it between the same clips or two different clips. Go to video transitions and you are going to select the zoom in and out one, and you're just going to drag it to the video. If you want a slower zoom, you're just going to make this a bit longer. If you want a faster one, make it shorter. This is what it'll look like. So for instance, I want to kind of zoom in on this person right here. So I'm just going to adjust the zoom position like so, and kind of zoom in more on this person. Like so. I know the quality isn't that great, but you will need a better video quality, I guess, for it. But yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!